One of the biggest mistakes moving companies make in their recruiting is they're too general in what they're looking for. Okay, you gotta be super specific on exactly what you're hunting out in the marketplace. So you wanna create what I call a perfect avatar. Okay, this is like every little thing that you could think of that would make just the perfect hire. Okay, so like if you're thinking about a driver, okay, a local driver, you're gonna wanna write out all the skills, all the abilities, the personality, other essential things like how far away do you want them to live? And, is your perfect avatar, do they have a family? Do they have kids? Are they a single person? What's their age range? All these different things. What's their, prior job experience, right? Create and specifically write out on a list your perfect avatar. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take that, and that's what you're going to use when you go hunting, okay? We need to stop fishing and we need to start hunting. Today's labor market is one of the most difficult that we've ever had. There's far more jobs than there are job seekers. And even more so, there's far more jobs than there are qualified job seekers. And so we've got to be dialed in on exactly what we need, exactly to the T. And this is what a lot of employers do. They are super general and they just say, I'm just looking for good people, or I'm just looking for guys that are willing to work and get their hands dirty. And it's way too general, right? You have very little specifics on what it is that you need to hire. And so what you can do if you feel like you make this list, right, your perfect avatar, and let's say that you personally feel like there's just no way, you can't imagine somebody checking off all of these boxes, then prioritize. Start with the most important and make that your list. Also, out of this, you're going to be able to figure out what your deal breakers are. Okay, a deal breaker is like if somebody does not have this, or if they do have this thing, then it's a deal breaker. They cannot get hired at your company, right? So this is going to help you derive your deal breakers, and ultimately, right, it's going to help you be aware in the marketplace of exactly what you're hunting for. Okay, you need to have a perfect avatar list and be as detailed as possible. Every single function and skill and ability you can think of. Get it all the way down to how tall they are and what they do for fun and their social activities. Get it down to a T, and then you'll never feel like you don't know what you're looking for when you go into interviews and you go to hire. Perfect avatar list. Make sure you have that in your arsenal. We'll see you on the other side.